Hi guys, here's another short video from East Coast Range Rovers. We've had a couple of phone calls in the past how to remove a steering wheel from a Disco 1. So I just thought we'd upload a little video. This is a late model, 93. So yeah, here we go. First job, just get yourself a little pry tool, get this center cap out. They can be a little bit tight to get out. Sits on 4 lugs. As you can see, that just sits on the 4 lugs there. They are a little bit of a bummer to get out. This contact here for the horn, pull this out the way. Just pull the wire off the back, get that out the way. And if you look at this part in here, I don't know whether you can see, the other wire just plugs onto the back. Just literally pop that off. Get your pry tool again, and there's this plastic middle section here needs to be removed. Again, can be quite tricky to get out. Just like that, which will then give you access to the nut in the middle, obviously holding the steering wheel on. Should be a 19mm. Obviously a good idea is not to remove the nut fully, otherwise you could get smacked in the face by a steering wheel. A couple of good hits. Remove the nut and the steering wheel's off.